The Parrot and the Grocer, a story from Rumi. Long ago, in the busy streets of Baghdad, there lived a kind grocer named Hassan. Hassan owned a beautiful green parrot called Tuti. Tuti wasn't an ordinary bird. He could speak clearly and sing sweetly. He welcomed customers with cheerful words and songs, making everyone smile. People loved visiting Hassan's shop just to hear Tuti's lovely voice. And because of that, Hassan's business flourished. One afternoon, Hassan went home for lunch, leaving the shop in Tuti's care. Suddenly, a cat rushed in, chasing a mouse. Frightened, poor Tuti flapped his wings wildly to save himself. In the panic, he knocked over a few bottles of almond oil from the shelf. The bottles broke, spilling oil all over the floor, and even on Tuti himself. When Hassan returned, he was shocked. His shop was a mess, the floor slippery with oil, and Tuti sat trembling in a corner. Without thinking, Hassan's anger took over. He struck Tuti on the head. The poor bird felt hurt, not just from the blow, but from the heartbreak of being hit by his beloved master. That very moment, Tuti lost all the feathers on his head and became silent. He stopped talking, stopped singing. The shop grew quiet and lifeless. Days passed. Hassan felt deep regret. He missed Tuti's joyful songs and realized how foolish his anger had been. He sighed. "Oh, what have I done? I wish I had broken my hand instead of hurting my sweet-voiced friend." To make peace with his soul, Hassan began giving food and coins to every dervish, every poor holy man who passed by. He prayed, hoping his kindness might heal what his anger had broken. 3 days later, something unexpected happened. A bald dervish entered the shop. The moment Tuti saw him, his eyes widened, and for the first time since the accident, he spoke. "Hey, did you also spill bottles of almond oil?" Everyone in the shop burst into laughter. Tuti had thought the dervish was bald for the same reason he was. One of the customers smiled and said kindly, "Dear Tuti, don't compare yourself with others. Even if two things look alike, their stories are never the same." Hassan smiled through tears, his heart full of relief and love. That day, he learned a timeless truth. Anger destroys, but kindness restores. And what we lose in haste can only be healed with patience and love.